Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best vanity set is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give to a little girl, sparking her imagination and allowing her to explore her creativity through pretend play, transforming her room into a personal salon or a glamorous dressing room where she can experiment with different looks and feel like a princess, all while developing fine motor skills and confidence as she mimics adult routines in a safe and fun environment. Number 5. Unicorn Makeup Kit with Pink Purse. Looking for the perfect gift that will bring endless smiles? This magical makeup kit is designed to spark joy and imaginative play for your little one. Watch her creativity bloom with colors that go on lightly and are completely washable with just water. No worries about stains, just pure, clean fun. Made with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients, this set meets all safety standards. You can trust it's gentle and safe for your child's delicate skin. This all-in-one kit encourages creative exploration. It has everything she needs to experiment and develop her own unique style, fostering her imagination. Unleash her inner diva with this enchanting unicorn set. The beautiful pink purse and glitter details make it a truly majestic and delightful gift. Searching for Easter basket stuffers or a special birthday surprise? This delightful makeup set is guaranteed to create jump up and down excitement. What we like? This set offers real, washable makeup in a fun unicorn design. If your little one loves unicorns and wants to experiment with actual cosmetics safely, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for girls who are curious about makeup but still need gentle, non-toxic options. What people say. Nice makeup brushes, 2 kinds of lip gloss and nail polish, and a lipstick that looks like a nice light pink. The makeup itself seems like good quality, and the bag is sturdy and well made. It feels like it will last a long time. Very well made, realistic, perfect for my 7-year-old daughter. She was so happy with it and played all day. Such ease of use and a great variety of makeup tools, makeup. Number 4. Prextex Kids Princess Play Makeup Table. Spark imaginative play with this delightful vanity set. It includes beauty essentials and play makeup designed to enchant your little ones. Watch as it lights up and plays magical sounds when opened, creating an enchanting experience. It truly brings playtime to life with its special effects. This charming vanity table stands 30 inches tall and 17 inches wide. It also comes with a matching stool and a mirror with light effects for pretend play. This toy vanity is packed with glamorous beauty accessories. It includes bracelets, hair ties, rings, perfume bottles, realistic lipstick, lip gloss, and a real working hair dryer. Ideal for toddlers aged 2 to 3 years, this play set makes a perfect gift. It's a wonderful surprise for birthdays, Christmas, New Year's, or any special occasion for your little princess. What we like? This vanity table brings a magical experience with its light and sound effects, complete with a chair. If you're looking for a complete play vanity that offers an immersive and enchanting princess experience, this is it. It's perfect for toddlers who love to feel like royalty and enjoy interactive play. What people say. Designed with a cute and modern style, this makeup table comes with a functional mirror, adding a realistic touch that allows kids to engage in imaginative play and practice getting ready just like adults. Made from durable, child-safe materials, it's sturdy enough for daily play while being easy to clean. The set includes plenty of storage space for organizing pretend makeup accessories, keeping everything neat and tidy. It's lightweight, great quality, and fun for kids. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Wooden Beauty Salon Play Set. Step into a world of creativity. This set lets kids become stylists, using pretend tools for endless imaginative fun. It's a daily dose of role-playing excitement. Discover 18 wooden pieces, including a vanity with a mirror and storage. It also comes with a pretend hair dryer, straightener, comb, brush, lotion, and makeup. Encourage creativity and confidence with this screen-free play experience. It helps build empathy, communication, and problem-solving skills through pretend activities. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? This is a wonderful choice for any occasion, celebrating those special moments with engaging play. Melissa and Doug has inspired kid-powered play for over 35 years. This product is also FSC certified, ensuring responsible sourcing. What we like? This is a durable, wooden play set that focuses on pretend salon and makeup play without real cosmetics. If you prioritize eco-friendly materials and want a set that encourages imaginative role-playing and skill development, this is an excellent option. It's great for children who enjoy hands-on creative play and learning. What people say. The makeup vanity is designed with a large mirror and a spacious tabletop, providing ample room for play. It comes with a variety of pretend makeup accessories, including lipstick, eyeshadow, and brushes, encouraging imaginative play. The vanity set is made of durable, child-safe materials, ensuring long-lasting use and safety for little ones. Number 2. Beverly Hills Pretend Makeup Toy Set. Introducing the My First Princess Cosmetic Beauty Set from Beverly Hills. It's designed for little girls who love to play dress up and explore their creativity. This delightful kit includes everything your little one needs to feel like a princess. It features pretend blush, lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, a mirror, and a stylish makeup bag. Keep your little one entertained for hours with this fun and engaging pretend makeup set. It's the perfect way for them to imitate mom without any of the real-life mess. Rest assured, this makeup set is completely fake, made from safe foam and plastic materials. There are no harmful chemicals, so you don't have to worry about stains or toxic ingredients. Looking for a great gift? This cute makeup set is sure to be a hit for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Your little girl will absolutely adore it. What we like. This kit provides a completely fake makeup experience, ensuring no mess and no harmful chemicals. If you're a parent who wants to satisfy your child's desire to play with makeup without any of the real-world consequences like stains or toxic ingredients, this is the ideal solution. It's perfect for toddlers who love to imitate adults and play dress up. What people say. It looks and feels very realistic. Very cute. This little set comes in a cute convenient pouch and she can carry it around and play with her dolls or watch mom in the morning, and it has a nice variety. Super cute. Vibrant colors, very good for play makeup. Should wash off easily. Number 1. Hollyhi 59 PCS Kids Washable Makeup Kit. Discover a world of beauty with this comprehensive makeup kit designed just for kids. It includes everything needed for fun dress-up and creative play, even a special tutorial booklet to guide their imagination. This makeup set is designed for little hands, with a compact size that's easy to store and carry. It holds 59 pieces of fun, making it perfect for on-the-go princess time or parties. Crafted from safe, high-quality materials, this makeup is gentle on skin and easy to wash off. You can have peace of mind knowing it meets international safety standards and won't stain clothes or furniture. More than just makeup, this kit helps develop fine motor skills and encourages creative expression. It's a wonderful way for children to explore their imagination and enjoy interactive playtime. Looking for the perfect gift? Surprise the special girl in your life with this delightful makeup kit. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for ages 3 to 12. What we like. This comprehensive 59-piece set includes a tutorial booklet, offering a wide range of washable and safe play makeup. If you're looking for a complete makeup kit that encourages creativity and provides guidance for little ones, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for girls who want to explore different looks and learn makeup application in a fun, interactive way. What people say. The makeup vanity is designed with a large mirror and ample storage space for all her pretend cosmetics. It includes a variety of accessories like a comb, brush, and pretend lipstick, making it a complete play set. The vanity is made of durable, child-safe materials, ensuring it can withstand rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.